Are you ready? Today we're diving into the thrilling world of massive bulldozers and timber trucks. Extreme driving skills, unstoppable power, and jaw-dropping challenges. This is where mastery meets raw force. Sit back, enjoy your tea or coffee, and let us know what you think. Where are you watching from? Drop a comment and connect with everyone. Oh wow, that ship hit the shore like it had been lost at sea for decades and finally found its way home. The moment it touched land must have been both thrilling and nerve-wracking, just like a financial investor finally making it back to shore after a wild ride. A dramatic, powerful, and unforgettable landing. That was insane. My heart nearly jumped out of my chest. Good thing he had a helmet on, otherwise, I don't even want to think about it. If you think that was dangerous, drop a 1 in the comments. Oh man, who needs professionals when you've got a sky lift and a magic rope, right? Look at that tree. It's like it was just waiting for this exact moment to blow apart. If you saw that coming, drop a comment. Hold it steady. I'm done cutting. And boom, that tree was way too massive, and down goes the excavator like a toy. Oh man, health and safety. Where? Who saw that coming? Drop a comment now. Not a single scratch. It's a miracle. You don't see this every day. Just look at the happiness on his face. It says it all. This is one for the books. Drop a comment if you're just as shocked as I am. Oh boy, that truck is lifting off like it's screaming, I can't take it anymore. Somebody lighten the load. A completely unintentional stunt of exhaustion. If trucks had feelings, this one would be crying right now. Timberjack, the number is 240. A fierce battle between forest warriors in deep snow. Don't think this is easy. Driving here is like walking in a giant ball pit. Every move is slippery. Every maneuver is a challenge. Who will come out on top? Watch and let us know what you think. Rare sight, the massive cargo ship's stellar banner is now sinking into the ocean. An ambitious journey ends in the worst possible way. Took a shortcut, but straight into disaster. No repairs, no towing, only one option left, scuttling. What do you think about this dramatic ending? Comment now. Oh my God, the dump truck just tipped over like a scene from an action movie. Rocks and dirt flying everywhere, pure chaos. But don't worry, the wheel loader and excavator jump in. Powerful, precise, and turning the situation around like pros. What a spectacular display of heavy machinery. A docking maneuver not for the faint-hearted. The crane swayed, teetered. I was sure it was going for a swim. But no, the operator pulled off a perfect save. Precision down to the last millimeter, balancing like a tightrope artist. Anyone still waiting for a splash? Sorry to disappoint. battle between steel and nature. The Bombardier J5 didn't flinch, pushing forward like a relentless beast. Snow, mud, nothing could stop it. This is exactly why these machines exist, to conquer the wild. Get ready, 3, 2, 1. Boom, the ground shakes, rocks fly everywhere. An awe-inspiring display of power and precision. One small mistake, and everything turns to dust. This isn't just a show, it's the art of controlled destruction. A battle with the mud. The John Deere 1470E and Valmet 860.4 were hopelessly stuck. But fear not, the cavalry arrived. The John Deere 1110D rolled in, cables tightened, power unleashed. A spectacular rescue. This is teamwork at its finest. The scene of the truck overturning in Nakil al-Khashaba while working and pouring concrete. A rescue action that couldn't be more intense. Who would dare say this job isn't full of danger and challenges?
تم رفعها.
Oh wow, the Kamaz was unloading and then, boom, the cylinder snapped and the truck bed crashed down. Pure chaos on the job site, a moment the driver will definitely want to forget. Boom, a thunderous explosion, and the entire building crumbles in a cloud of dust. A demolition masterpiece, timed to perfection. But don't worry, on this very ground, a taller, more modern structure will rise. The Valmet 840.3 glided through the mud like a dancer on stage. Under the rainy forest, every turn, every maneuver was smooth and masterful. A breathtaking performance in the heart of the wild. The Ural roars with power, challenging nature itself. Wheels spinning, mud flying, but nothing can stop this beast. And there it is. With incredible strength, it pulls itself out of the swamp. What an absolutely thrilling performance. Oh my God, the tanker truck plunged into the ravine because the driver dozed off and lost control. Luckily, there was no cargo, but the outcome still made our hearts skip a beat. The rescue scene was intense and nerve-wracking, but fortunately, the driver was unharmed. This is truly a major lesson on staying alert while driving. $170 tons of steel, moving like a giant on the march. A masterclass in engineering and power. No mistakes, no hesitation, just pure precision. Bravo to the elite transport team. Oh Oh no, that was not the smooth landing we expected. Looks like the dump truck has had enough and decided to take a nap right there. Someone get the driver a coffee. Oh boy, a crane in trouble, and now another crane is coming to the rescue. A crane saving a crane. Now that's heavyweight teamwork. One small mistake, and this giant could turn into a fallen titan. Will this rescue go smoothly, or are we about to witness the ultimate domino effect? Let's find out. A breathtaking display of raw power. These massive machines work in perfect harmony, lifting marble blocks, weighing tons as if they were weightless. This isn't just mining, it's an art form, a flawless combination of strength, skill, and sheer determination. A challenge that pushes all limits. The Coca team moved 4 massive storage tanks, each up to 40 meters long, on a 185-kilometer journey through narrow roads and crowded areas. Every step required absolute precision and meticulous preparation. A stunning victory of effort and skill, turning the impossible into reality. Only 4x4 warriors like the Toyota Dyna and Mitsubishi Canter can conquer the muddy mess of Transeco. Slippery roads, deep puddles, yet they still glide through like champs. The drivers are like super pros, fully focused to avoid getting stuck. This road definitely needs a major upgrade for smoother trips in the future. Packed with challenges. The ship cuts through uncharted waters, carrying a massive load over 7 meters high. All eyes are locked in. Will they navigate the treacherous turns and rushing currents? There's no room for error, only speed, skill, and sheer determination. A journey not for the faint of heart. James Thumb and J&S Pilot Car Service are transporting a massive GE wind turbine base stretching 175 feet 53 and weighing a staggering 245,000 kilos of frame, 111 tons. Watching this superload navigate sharp turns and cross railroad tracks with incredible precision is truly a breathtaking sight. Absolutely insane. Took a little time, but it finally made it in. Unloading like this isn't something any school teaches. This is pure hands-on experience. The truck rears up, tires gripping the ground, the driver adjusting every angle down to the millimeter. What a nerve-wracking performance. Next time, it'll probably slide in smooth as butter. The 20-ton Maz truck got stuck on a narrow road with deep ditches and muddy ground, causing a serious traffic jam. Fortunately, thanks to the timely assistance of a crane in the same traffic, we were able to resolve this tense situation.
Все, спасибо за просмотр.
Oh boy, a 30-ton container just decided to take a solo trip on the highway. Watching this scene is enough to make your heart skip a beat. The truck went one way, but the cargo chose its own path. Luckily, no one was hurt, but the road sure took a beating. Now comes the rescue mission. A team of pros is on the bottom, lifting the container like it's just a giant toy. Anyone betting this will go smoothly, or are we in for another nail-biting moment? Stay tuned. This massive truck is climbing the steep road like a warrior carrying an entire mountain on its back. The forest path is steep, the curves are sharp, yet the driver maneuvers it as smoothly as a ballet dancer on stage. The tires grip tightly, the engine roars, and every turn is a breathtaking performance. One small mistake could send it plunging into the abyss, but no, this driver is a true master. Here we go, a river crossing straight out of a nature documentary, like a family of ducks leading their little ones through the water. These steel beasts are showing off some serious swimming skills, one by one bravely diving in. Will they all make it across safely, or are we about to witness a dramatic mud bath moment? Hold on tight, buddy, this is no relaxing Sunday drive. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed this topic, leave a comment below so we can bring you even more exciting content. See you later.